We're going to show you how to set up today your new AirSense AirCurve 11 BiPAP. We're going to start in the back here. Power cord plugs right into here. This is your filter door right here. So this filter you want to change out roughly every 4 weeks. Here's where your tubing connects. With the BiPAP machines, we use heated tubing. So you're going to notice there's two different ends. The side with the sensor is going to get plugged right into the top here, clicks all the way in. To remove it, we're going to pinch and pull, wiggle, comes out. You want to clean this roughly every once a week in a warm water Dawn dish soap or warm water white vinegar solution. You're going to want to change your heated tubing out every 3 months, and your durable medical equipment supplier will be able to supply that to you. Second. Coming over to the side of the machine, there's that heated humidifier. You're going to take your water, slides all the way in, and clicks in. To remove it, you're going to pinch and pull. You're going to fill this below the max line with distilled water. To open it, there's a little lip here. Lifts right up, fill it up, close it completely, and slide all the way in. You're going to want to clean your water chamber once a week, same as the tubing. Warm water white vinegar or warm water and Dawn dish soap. Your durable medical equipment supplier will be able to supply you a water chamber every 6 months. In the front here is the BiPAP screen itself. It's touchscreen, and then the power button is on the top here. A few of the comfort features, if we go into My Options, there's something called RAM time. That's where how long it takes for the pressure to slowly increase to your prescribed setting. It's set to 20 minutes. If we want to go ahead and increase that time, we can select 25 minutes and then come down here and select OK. The next few settings is called climate control and tube temperature. That's adjusting the humidity level and the moisture that's provided to you. We're going to select climate control and adjust it to manual. Tube temperature we recommend to keep between 82 to 84 degrees. You scroll down and then there's humidity level. We're going to keep that around 5 to 6 degrees. If you get something called rain out, which is a buildup of water in your tubing or in your mask, you're going to want to go ahead and lower that. If it feels too dry, you can go ahead and increase that. Mask setting. This is the setting that we program on what mask you're using. So if you're using a nasal mask, go ahead and select OK. Then we go to the home button. My sleep view. So you're going to have two different options here. Usage just means how many hours you wore the device the night before. Under the mask setting here, it'll go ahead and it'll tell you if you had any leaking from your mask at all. And then under more, warm up. So this is if you're in a really cold environment, it's going to help warm out that humidifier already to help make it a little comfortable for you when you first start therapy for the night. Mask fit. So this is actually detecting if you have a leak on your mask prior to going to bed. You want to go ahead and click start, and it will blow a bunch of pressure at your face, and it will show on your screen here if you're having a leak or if you're ready to go to bed. The My Air app. This is a free app on your phone that you can get that you can use to track how you're doing on therapy, or if there's any concerns going on, or if you have any questions about it, you can go ahead and contact us. And then airplane mode. So that's a feature if you're going to be using your device while you're flying, you will want to go ahead and turn that on. All right. And then